Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the aircraft and controller active. This saves time when you need satellite lock. First, charge both units above 50%, install the micro SD and snap on props. Secure clicks matter. Power the remote, then the drone, connect your phone to the controller with a cable, and open the DJI Fly app. Once done, sign into or activate your DJI account, accept permissions, and note any firmware prompts so you can handle updates before flight. Now you handle the onboard sensors and flight limits because they determine safe behavior. Begin compass calibration well away from cars or metal structures and spin the drone per app prompts. That reduces magnetic interference. Next, wait for a good GPS lock, 10 or more satellites, and set return to home altitude above nearby obstacles. Then verify IMU status, choose your flight mode, normal versus SIN for smoother moves, and set sensible max altitude and distance in the app so you don't exceed legal or battery limits. You're ready to fly, begin with auto takeoff, then hold a hover and check stability and wind reaction. Once stable, gently ascend and practice slow lateral inputs. GPS mode will keep position steady while you learn. Keep visual line of sight and watch battery percentage, distance, and signal bars so you return with a safe reserve. If something goes wrong, like a loss of controller link, trigger return to home immediately. If RTH fails, manually land by cutting throttle and using a controlled descent as your key troubleshooting move.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.